Knock knock.
Who's that?
Doctor.
Doctor who?
Exactly. When I decided to start 3D Oak, I was sitting in a hospital bed, having a long, hard think about what I was going to do in my life going forward. I've been in the joinery game for so many years. Starting an oak frame company has got to be the best thing I've ever done. The purpose of 3D Oak Limited is to supply oak frame buildings to make people's dreams come true. Cheryl at CH Accountancy has made my working life so easy. Previous years it was just so drawn out and antiquated. It's just changed it completely and gives me plenty of time to run my business properly.
Darren, when he first came to us, was more used to the traditional side of accountancy, so switching him over to the cloud enabled us to work in a much more efficient manner than he has with previous accountants. He's quickly grasped how we use Xero along with Receipt Bank, so that means we get all his paperwork digitally really quickly and we can keep his accounts up to date for him.
The mark that 3D Oak wants to leave on the world. I have a promise, and that's to plant an oak tree for every building we sell.